World champions. In this video, I am going to teach you some vocabulary related to trees. So watch the video till end. What do you call this part of the tree? They are called roots. They hold the tree beneath the ground and they transfer or send water, food and nutrients to trunk. This part of tree is called trunk. इसको हम trunk बोलते हैं. In Hindi we call this तना. And let's get started with, let's learn other parts of the trees as well. These are branches of a tree. They hold the trunk. What do you call this? This is a leaf, but the plurals are leaves. And what do you call, my dear, the skin of the tree? The skin of the tree is called the bark. When we cut the human body, then blood comes out of the body. But when we cut a tree, a white liquid comes out of the tree. It is called sap. Now, when it was on the tree or it was connected to the tree, it was a branch. Now it is a stick. This stick is called stem. This small part of this cannot be called trunk like this one. This one is trunk and it is stem. Now we will learn different parts of plant as well. The first process is to sow the seeds and it start growing, and later on it becomes, and this part of the plant is not called trunk because it is not as strong as trees trunk. It is called stem. What do you call this? In Hindi we call bale, but in English it is said creeper. It is a creeper of wheat. जंगली घास की बेल है ये. It is a creeper of wheat. जंगली घास को इंग्लिश में wheat कहते हैं. What do you call these? In Hindi we call them झाड़ियाँ, but in English they are called bushes. As you can see, this is a tube well. The farmers use this tube well to water their gardens or the plants or the trees. The process is called to water the plants. And as you can see, come closer. This water body is called stream. When the water flows, it is called stream. These are called flowers. Flowers are just a part of trees as well. As the sun is setting, it looks really beautiful. Now, imagine yourself standing under a big tree and try to remember the names of different parts of a tree. Okay guys, if you really want to fresh in the open air, there is a toilet. You will definitely feel relaxed here as you are getting fresh. As you can see, there are two people who are plugging the fields. They are called farmers. Farmers gives us food, vegetables, and definitely they are very helpful for our healthy lifestyle. Let's talk to the farmers. So what are you doing, man?
हैं
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
डोल दे रहा
ये क्या होता है, मतलब why are you doing so?
पानी ना टूट जाए इधर इसलिए दे रहा
so so हम इसको इंग्लिश में कहेंगे to protect one part of land from other, like so you are doing this to protect other parts of the land.
लाइन
Okay.
नहीं समझ में नहीं आ रहा
And what do you call this?
थोड़ी
Poli. Okay. डरो ना कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आपको रिलैक्स रहो. पोली.
थोड़ी
Folly. Oh my god, folly. It's really a nice experience. And what is this?
पत्ता
That's leaf. And बहुत सारे पत्तों को क्या कहेंगे?
पत्ते
पत्ते. Leaves. We call them leaves. That's very good. Okay, thank you very much for your time. So, where are you from, sir?
ये के हो
कहाँ से हैं आप?
बुढ़नपुर से
अच्छा, आपसे मिलके अच्छा लगा. Is this your garden?
मैं नहीं समझ में नहीं आ रहा हिंदी में बताओ
क्या ये आपका बाग है?
जी मारा ही है
अच्छा, थैंक यू वेरी मच. आपसे बात करके अच्छा लगा.
धन्यवाद जी
चलिए कुछ हमें आप बता दीजिए, जैसे मान लो फूल वगैरह है आसपास के, यहाँ फूल है थोड़े से?
ना बाग है बस ये तो आम आम है इसमें तो
अच्छा, आम अवे. ओके, व्हाट डू यू कॉल वी कॉल अ मैंगो ट्री. आम के आने को इंग्लिश में कहेंगे टू ग्रो मैंगो और टू बियर मैंगोज. सो दीज ट्रीज बियर मैंगोज in summer only. So guys, we conclude this video here. As I told you in the previous or in the beginning of the video that I will teach you different parts of the tree, and I have tried my best to tell you all the parts of a tree, and I want you to know in the comment below which vocabulary did you like the most. And please keep supporting us and stay tuned for the next video. You can comment below what episode do you want in the next.